Good morning, welcome back to another new vlog. In this video you'll see the work we've done in the past few days. In the outside we cut some trees down, we pulled some trees out, all of it together. So here it is. So we are planning to cut these two trees down because they have a disease and they're dying off.
Yeah.
And the tree next to it, the third tree, this one is pretty much healthy. It doesn't have any problems.
Looks like it, yeah.
This disease, it will spread over. It's splitting the tree up, as you can see. It's killing off its skin.
Yeah.
All of it. This one here does not have any signs of problems. And we're just gonna let these new ones here, probably not the bottom one, but this one here to grow out. This here we're gonna cut off, but it should spark out new ones as soon as we cut it. The problem is we have our clothes drying strings attached to it.
Yeah.
So need to remove those first. Oh, I got both of them. Yeah, look at this.
Woo, that's beautiful. Go away, there's a brick on the ball.
And how am I so good at making stocky timbers?
What?
So we're also gonna cut this bush down because it's a bit old. It has moss has overtaken it, so it didn't have even any flowers this summer. It's supposed to have full of nice, beautiful flowers. So we're gonna cut it fully down and let the new ones come out because new ones are coming out everywhere. They were coming out all around here. I cut them with the trimmer down. So we're just gonna let new ones come out. Maybe we keep it, maybe we don't. Depends if we like the view
Yeah.
because it does block out our window.
Why are the people screaming behind me? They're telling, don't cut the tree down!
Timber. How stuck they are.
What's wrong, big bosses? You're gonna get chopped off.
It's scary, I know.
Stop photograph! I cannot film you.
Watch out, watch your head, yes.
Every time you stop, they have to comment. What's wrong, stupid?
They're doing their vlog, Baba. He's cutting the tree. No.
They're biting the front of the lens. I haven't filmed anything you have done.
It's nearly done, Baba, the whole tree.
Yeah, well, I
You have 2 kids to take care
have pew-pews in the front. What do you want? What do you want?
Maybe I'll leave these small ones the same.
Oh, you broke it?
What?
The one you want to leave?
Yeah, I left this one, look.
Okay.